Alvin Flores. We are from Group 1 and I am Hanami Navarro.
I am Baby Nika B. Lopez.
And I am Ian Alahas, and we are from PSNO Orlando. And for today, we will going to have a Metro Manila Developmental Screening Test, wherein the purpose of this is to determine or to assess the development of the child, whether the developmental milestone of the child is appropriate to his age. And now we will going to start.
Okay, so first is we're going to explain to the mother the purpose of the procedure. Okay, so mami, may gagawin lang po kami sa kay baby po. Tapos, yung procedure na po to is hindi po siya pang IQ test and hindi rin po siya pang diagnose ng sakit. So, dito po malalaman po natin if nagde-develop na po yung personal social, yung mga fine motor skill, language, tsaka close motor skill ni patient. And para po malaman po natin if sakto po sa edad niya yung growth and development na meron siya. Okay, so, mami, tanong lang po namin, kailan po yung birthday po?
February 9, 2019.
So, we're going to compute po the birthday of the child to the present day. So,
So, based on the computation, the birthday of the child is February 19, 2000, February 9, 2019, and the date today is December 14, 2024. And the result is the child is born 5 days and 10 months and 5 years.
also, magsisimula na po tayo. So, we are going to begin po din sa personal and social aspect. Okay, so, mami, tanong ba lang po, si baby po ba is kaya niya po ba mag-botones?
Sa tingin ko kaya niya.
Okay lang po if pasuunin po natin. So, tayo ng ganun. Tapos botones muna.
Medyo nahihirapan lang siya kasi ngayon niya lang din talaga natutunan ng magbubukas sa pagod. Pero madalas na lang pumasok. Pero kaya niya na kahit magbago.
Okay, so okay na yan. So, for the putting on clothes and for the bottom up, so the child got passed the test. Okay, so mami, tanong ko din po, kaya niya na rin po ba mag-BS nang wala po kayo?
Kaya naturuan na din siya.
Tapos kaya niya rin po mag-BS na kasama po kayo. Okay, so for the dresses with supervision and for the dresses without supervision, the child passed the test. Okay, so mami, tanong ko din po, pag naglalaro po siya, may kasama po ba siya maglaro?
Sa ngayon, meron na kasi nandito na yung pinsan niya o na. Pero yung mga nakarang taon, wala. Ang kalaro niya lang sa school niya. Pero ngayon, sa high school, hindi ka kasama na din dito, hindi nakakalaro na talaga pa.
Yung mga kalaro niya po, ano po ba yung mga nilalaro niya?
Madalas, kung lalaki, pag lalaki talaga, yung action, yung lalaan. Pero hindi naman nagkakasakitan. Pag yung pinsan niya na babae kasi, halo, pero more on, na lang ang nagagawa. Kasi siya yung medyo nakakatanda ng once lang sa kanila. Pero,
Okay, so for the place interactive games, the child passed the test. Then, mami, tanong ka lang po, pag kunwari po, umaalis po kayo, pag nagsiseparate po kayong dalawa, umiiyak po ba si...
minsan iiyak, minsan hindi. Pero pag ano naman, kaya naman ni pwede yung na kailangan ko umalis, babalik naman si mama. Hindi naman mawawala ka habang buhay. Babalik pa rin ako kung yun lang. Pinapaalala ko din sa kanya na hindi naman aalis si mami ng sobrang layo. Babalik pa rin sa bahay.
So for this separate from the mother, the child passed the test. Okay, so next is kailangan natin maghugas ng kamay, hugas tayo. Kala ba ba?
Abot na no.
Okay, so for the washes and dries hand, the child passed the test. Okay, so ngayon naman po mag-toothbrush. Mag-toothbrush ka naman ngayon. Mag-toothbrush ka.
Wait lang. Okay, hindi na kailangan. Dito ko na lang.
Kasi? So, for the toothbrushing po, the child passed the test. So overall, for the personal social aspect, the child passed all the assessment that we have done po. So for the next aspect, which is the language,
Now we're going to assess the language of the child. So first, about comprehending na cold, tired, or hungry. So, tatanong ko lang kung ano nararamdaman mo kapag malamig. Naliligo ka. Paano kapag napapagod ka, ano ginagawa mo? Naliligo din. Paano kapag nagugutom? Kakain. So, based on the findings, the client can comprehend what is cold, tired, or even hungry. Next is we were going to assess the comprehension of the three propositions. So, pwede mo ba kunin yung bola? Then, lagay mo sa may upuan. Tapos, bigay mo sa akin. So, based on the findings, the client can comprehend the three proposition, which is the first proposition is take the ball, and next proposition or the second proposition is to put it on the chair, and the third proposition is to give it to the someone. Give it to someone. Next is we will going to assess or recognize its three colors. So, tanong ko lang, anong kulay ito?
Brown.
Brown. Ito,
Orange.
anong kulay ito?
Red.
Based on the findings, the client can recognize three colors, which are the brown, the orange, and the red, which shows that the client has passed the test. Next, we will going to check for the opposite analogies. So, tanong ko lang, anong kabaliktaran ng maganda? Tanong ko lang, anong kabaliktaran ng malaki?
Malaki. Ano sunod? Maliit.
Kapag, anong kabaliktaran ng puti? Kapag may puti,
Kung si mami, babae, si lolo, ano siya?
kung babae si mami, si mama, babae. Si lolo, ano si lolo? Lalaki. So, based on the findings, the client has passed the test in which he recognized the opposite analogies like he said that his mom is a girl and his grandfather is a boy. Next, we will going to define we will going to now test or define 6 words to the child. So, tanong ko lang, ano yung asan ginagamit yung TV? Okay. Saan naman ginagamit ang notebook?
Ang sikreto ko ay lasa na pandesada for creamy tamis. Mas magpapastasyo sa spaghetti mo ang Alaska Chisma sauce. Gawin natin.
Anong ginagamit ng tsinelas?
Creamy at rich sa spaghetti mo ang Alaska Evaporada. Tada! Spaghetti!
Anong ginagamit na upuan?
Sa isang batch, pwede ka kumita ng 586 pesos na required sa sila. Gawa tayo ng seafood carbonara.
Anong ginagamit ng bag?
Ako nagsanang pagkakalaga at naman siya sa pagkakalinay. Ang secret ko dyan, Alaska Evaporada at Alaska All-Purpose Creamer. Ang creamy talaga.
Anong ginagamit ng kumot?
Seafood carbonara ang Alaska. Alaska lang ginag ko. Alaska lang yung mga nasa mga
Based on the findings, the client can define 6 words such as TV, wherein he said that TV is a helpful tool for watching, and a chair used to sit down, and a blanket used to when someone is shivering or feels chilly and such. Next one, we were going to ask the child if he knows what is his name and his last name. Tanong ko lang, ano pangalan mo? Apelyido mo? Ano ang apelyido mo? Makate. So, based on the findings, the client can identify his name, wherein he said that his name is Sander and his first name is Sander and his last name is Makate. Next is we were going to identify if the client can determine the plural. So, ano ko lang, anong tawag dito? Blocks. Dito. Ayan. So, based on the findings, the client can identify also plurals like blocks and chairs. And now we will going to proceed for find motor.
So for the drawing mo siya, gagayahin mo to. Drawing mo siya. So, for the imitates of vertical line po, the child is able to imitate the vertical line. So, the child passed the test. Okay. Then, next is, ang next mong ito-drawing is ito.
All. Is hirapan ko sa
Okay, so for the imitates of the square, the child po is able to imitate the square. The child is able to draw the square, so the child passed the test. Next is, ito naman ang drawing. Okay nga, drawing ko. Okay, so for the imitates of the cross, client is able to draw the cross, so the client passed the test. Next is, ito naman, the drawing ko. So, the child po passed the test for the imitation of circle since po the client is able to draw the shape. And then, next is, the client po have to draw the 3-man part. Okay, so, mag-drawing ka ngayon ng bahagi ng katawan ng tao. So, try mo, mag-drawing ka nga ng mata, yung mata lang. Tapos, ilong. Paano yung drawing ka ng ilong ng tao? Yung,
Balik ano, balik na drawing ka ng
tapos, bibig naman. Yung bibig niya. Yung tenga. Tenga ng tao. Tapos, yung kamay ng tao. Tapos yung paa ng tao. So, the client po is able to draw the 3-man part and the 6-man part. So, therefore, the client has passed the test. Okay, so next is, I'm going to ask the child if kung ano sa tingin niya ang longer and shorter. Okay, so, sa tingin mo, alin dyan ang mas mahaba? Pag ganito, anong mas mahaba? Pag ganito kaya, ano mahaba? Eh, pag ganito, tapos pag ganito, okay, so the child po is able to determine which is the shorter and the longer. So, the patient po has passed the test. So, okay, so, ngayon naman, ay maggagawa tayo ng kulay. So, ngayon naman gagawa tayo ng tulay. Kaya mo bang gumawa ng tulay? Hindi nga, gawin mo nga parang tulay yan. So, the child po performs the imitation of tower. So, the child is able to create a tower po so the child has passed the test. Eh, yung tulay naman, yung patulay, kasi ginawa mo tower. Ngayon, gagawa ka ng tulay. The child po is able to make a bridge, so therefore the child passed the test. So that's all for the fine motor. So all the assessment for the fine motor, the child po passed. So next is for the gross motor skill.
Okay, so for the gross motor, first is the balance using 1 foot for 1 second, 10 seconds, and 5 seconds. Gamit yung isa mong paa. Okay lang? Okay, sige. Bibilang kami ng isang segundo, ha? Okay? 1, 2, 3, go. 1. Okay. Okay na. Ngayon naman, 5 seconds siya. Okay? Sige, dito ikaw. Ayan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay na. Next naman is 10 seconds siya. So, mahaba siya, no? Okay, so, game. Okay na. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay lang. Another one. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay na.
Kabila naman.
Kabilang paa. Okay, 1. Ay, tapos ulit. Seconds ulit. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, good. 10 seconds naman. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? So, for the gross motor of balance on one foot, you in 1 second, 5 seconds, and 10 seconds, the child passed the test. So, next is the catching the bounce ball and throws the ball over the head. So, ngayon naman, gagamit tayo ng bola, okay? So, dapat masalungo siya. Okay ba yun? Okay. Okay, very good. Okay, isa pa? Okay, next. Okay. So, in catching the ball and throwing the ball over the hand, the child passed the test. Okay. So, next is heel to toe walk. So, ngayon, ang gagawin natin is titingkayad ka, tapos nilakad ikaw, okay? Nilakad ka. Okay? Balik doon. Okay, so on heel to toe walk, the child passed the test. Next is backward heel toe. So, ang gagawin mo is pag-ganun siya. Okay? Ayan, atras siya. Okay? Okay. So, for the back heel toe, the child passed the test. Okay? So, next is jump in place. So, talon ka. Okay.
Tapos talon ka dyan.
Dyan lang ikaw.
Tapos tatalon.
Talon ka. Isa pa.
So,
Dyan lang
hanggang
ikaw.
ka lang. Huwag kang gagalaw. Huwag kang aalis. Tapos tatalon.
Dyan lang ikaw. Okay, so for the jump in place, the child passed the test. Next is broad jump. Next is the broad jump. So, gawin mo ulit yung pagtalon sa pagtalon. Okay, pakabila. Yan. Okay, so for the broad jump, the child passed the test. Okay. Okay.
Sige, ngayon naman, tatalon ka gamit isang paa. Sige nga, talon ka gamit isang paa. Tapos, kabila na ng paa. Okay, so for the hopping of using one foot, the child po is able to hop using each of his foot, so the child passed the test.
Okay, so we're done for the gross motor.
Okay, so in conclusion po, the child's developmental milestone is appropriate for his age. So, as evidence po, since the child po passed all the assessments from the personal, social, fine motor skill, language, and gross motor skill. So here po, we determined that the patient's developmental and growth is appropriate for his age, and he is able to perform all the instructions and all the activities that was instructed to him. Okay, so that's all po from our group.